Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can hide your like count on Facebook. So go to your Facebook account and tap on the profile icon on the lower right. And then go to settings. And here you just want to search reaction preferences. Now tap on reaction preferences. And here, as you can see, it says hide number of reactions, either on posts from others or on your posts. So if you want to hide other people's likes or reactions on your posts, then just tap on this one, switch it on. It says here, other people won't see the total number of reactions on their posts you share to your profile. Reaction counts will still appear on your posts in other places like groups or in other content like Reels. So there you have it. Once you post something, then other people would not be able to see the likes or the reactions on your posts when you switch this on. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.